Welcome to a Toy a Day. It's me, Nickel the Pickle. We opening up Ocean Exploration and Animal Ice Cube. Still got plenty to get here. Ooh, I hope I get the little bunny with its little ears. There's the sheep too. We're not going to get one of them because we did get the secret, so let's find out which one we won't get. Did you see it? It jumped right into my hand. It's the penguin. Nice. Look at his little arms over here. At least I think that's a penguin. 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 Adorable. Oh, I forgot. These ones have this. Hey, made it. Maybe that's what I have to do the other one. I have to like crush it a little bit. And then we'll see. Oh, the card got bent. Which one do you think it's going to be? Do you think it's going to be... Do you think it's going to be this fish? Or do you think it's going to be the starfish? It's the fish. Which I do like this one. Look at this little scaly boots. Little scaly boots. That's my swimming noise. Reef fish. Oh, look at it dancing in there. It looks cool. The cards. So nice. What the hell is that little stuff down there? Look at that face. Kind of ugly. Cute. I love these toys. I love all toys pretty much. You notice back here I got the Yukis because they're like my favorite. They're my favorite and I'm so excited to open them. I almost just opened another one today because I like them so much. But, you know, gotta keep the variety. Gotta keep the variety. Let's hit them with the black light. See what's up. We got the tail. Got the tail and the little fins at the end there. Wave. Big wave action. You know, a little bit on the little things there. Little scales on her dress. At least her face doesn't look... now that I do that, it looks pretty creepy, but some of them, goodness. These Animal Ice Cubes, you know, sometimes the nose glows. The nose glows. The nose glows. Oh yeah, you can see it through the other side sometimes. Yeah? No? Oh yeah, because it's painted there. Well, that's going to do it. And remember, Toy a Day keeps sea lions away. We'll see you tomorrow.